Hello, this video is called How to Use Any Vacuum. I chose my Bissell. It's a good thing. It does have the cord rewinder, so it's a lot more easier than just wrapping it up. So I'm gonna start vacuuming. Yep. Check how long this cord is. Yep. Must keep on pulling it so you can a vacuum most anywhere you want to clean inside the house. There we go. Actually, according to one of the episodes from Mother Goose and Graham, Graham probably plugged it in a bad socket. So yeah. This right here is the protection socket, so it could, so there's no harm of the actual vacuum cleaner. Yep. You simply plug your plug in. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Let's see how I can do this. Let's see. Let's see. It's on the third. Let's see. It's on the third setting for medium carpets. Probably the best vacuuming. Probably the best vacuuming position is probably this way. How I normally run any form of vacuum, either Hoover or Bissell or any vacuum cleaner, Castor or upright. This right here is the foot operating switch. Let's turn that on first. We're trying to vacuum. And let's begin the vacuum procedure. I'm doing a fur test. Just in case anyone is watching. It always does in some YouTube videos. as you can see, it's actually doing something very well. Probably just was so missed. I might as well show my vehicle. Well, I'm guessing the carpet is all nice and clean. This vacuum probably came out, I'm guessing, in China, since we do have European vacuums that are being sold in American stores. Yeah. And thank you for watching. And also thank you for watching how to use any vacuum cleaner. Bye.